spruce trees from over here.
Gonna do a dance on the dance floor?
I did that already. Shoes blocked.
No. So there's our dance floor. Finally got something done. Oh! Oh! There's our view.
Getting the floor all dirty.
Yes, I got a broom.
Yeah, we need to do some trimming.
Not too much. A little bit.
Spruce trees.
And there's the back, where our lovely outhouse will be. And that's where we drive up.